Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive download quota exceeded for this file. If you're getting this error, if you try to download any file and you're getting this error, then how you can fix it, all you have to do is click on this more actions or three-dotted button. From here, you have to select add to start. So your file is now starred, and then what you have to do, for example, I will go to my drive. From here, I will right click and I will create a new folder. I can call it subscribe. So my new folder has been created, which is called subscribed. Now what I will do, I will go to start. Now this is my file which I'm getting error. Now I will click or the right click on the file and will go to organize, and I will select move, or I will select add a shortcut. Sorry, you have to select add shortcut. From here you have to select your folder which is we have just created, which is subscribe. I will select it and I will click on add. Now this file's shortcut has been added to my folder, so I will go back to my drive and open my folder once again, and there is the shortcut of that file. Now if I select to download, if I choose to download this file, this time I will not get any error and the file will be downloaded to my computer. So that's how you can fix Google Drive download quota exceeded for this file. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.